Hello guys, Andrew here. Welcome back to Drew Tutorial. And in this video, I'm going to show you how to create a Facebook account. Once you're on facebook.com, you want to go ahead and click and create new account at the bottom here. And go ahead and fill in a couple details here so that you can create your account. So I'm going to simply go ahead and fill in some details here. Down here, I'm going to enter my email address. This can also be a phone number. So go ahead and enter your password as you wish. And of course, you want to go ahead and fill in. So I'm going to simple type in the following details, Drew tutorial. I'm going to just leave the year as is for today and just basically put it back a couple years back. So let's go ahead and make something that makes sense for us. I'm going to just choose, for example, 1990, 1989. It doesn't matter. And we will just choose that mail. And of course, you can either choose whichever you want and then click and sign up, right? Once you click on the sign up, you will realize that you receive a next page where you need to enter a code. This code will be sent to your email address that you use to create your Facebook account. So head over to your email and basically find that verification code. You might find it under updates, under your spam, or in your general inbox, depending on that. Find it and go ahead and copy that number behind the B. As you can see, it says FB dash and the number, so ensure that you copy the number behind the B. Head back over to Facebook, enter that number and click and continue right here. Right here, you can see that the account confirmation was successful. And of course, you will use the email address to log in. So go ahead and click on OK and go ahead and click on accept all cookies right here. So you will see that it takes you right over now into Facebook. The account is created and that's pretty much it. Now guys, I'm going to create a dedicated playlist showing you all that you need to know about Facebook, how to find all settings, how to do what, and so you will be a master at knowing how to navigate Facebook and how to use the platform step by step to do all that there is to it. And that's pretty much it, guys.